Hi, I'm Abigail and I'm a trip leader with Poly Escapes, and this is my roommate Nahla.
Hi, I'm the student manager of the rental center, and welcome to our Backyard Backcountry Cookout.
Today we're going to be talking about just an intro to backcountry cooking, whether that be camping or backpacking, and all the gear you'll need. Okay, I'm going to talk about the essentials that you'll need for a backpacking trip right now. So when you're backpacking, you want lighter weight stuff. So we use a tiny little stove most of the time, like this guy, and then special fuel that fits on it, like this guy, which is pretty big. And then you can just screw it on like so. Lightweight cookware like so is great for backpacking. It doesn't take up that much space or weight in your pack. And then you can just fill it with whatever you're eating. Turn on your stove first. And then you place it on top, and now we're cooking. We also have stove options like jet boils, which boil things really quickly. You take out the stove component and attach it to the same fuel that you use for pretty much all of your backpacking stove needs, and then you attach this piece and then you light it. Like that. Lastly, we just want to go over the different dishware and utensils you'll need on a trip. Bowls are great. I love my bowl, it expands out, and then a spork is good for all occasions, so don't forget these.
Next, we're moving on to our common camping equipment. And this stuff can be different because usually you're car camping, so you don't need to make it super lightweight. You don't need to pack it in anything. You can just chuck it in the car and bring it along. So that's why we have this hefty boy right here. And you just open this one up, and then you have a full 2 burners. All right, so setting up your camping stove. First off, you can put these things up, which will help block the wind. All right, so this one works a lot like a regular stove. And so you have your letting in the gas on either side here for either of the burners, and then you just take your source of fire that you prefer and turn on your gas. Some other commonly used equipment for either backpacking or camping needs are something to cook your food in besides the pot that Abigail showed you. Both of these you could bring backpacking as well. You can also bring bigger pots and pans if you're cooking for more people when you're camping, because you have this big stove and you don't have to carry it a lot of miles. A nice lightweight spatula you could also bring while you're backpacking, depending on what meals you plan on making, but it's always good to remember something like this so you can cook and stir around your food. And then a knife with a nice cap like this so you don't hurt anything in your bag or hurt yourself or others is also great to bring while you're backpacking and camping. And then a cutting board if you plan on cutting any of your ingredients.
Well, this is the gear that we have and we use. It's not necessarily a recommendation we have for all of you. It's just some gear that we found works for us over the years. And there are so many different options out there. So just go ahead and do a lot of research before you buy anything. And as always, reach out to us with any questions or comments you have as to what you'd like to see in the future, or any questions regarding what we've talked about in this video.
Thanks for watching this episode. We're excited to keep cooking with you on this series, and tune in next week for our Breakfast of Champions Cook-Off.